This is a 2003 BMW E46, and it came in with a weird top end rattle noise. Suspected that it was the VANOS, the hub for the exhaust cam. Took the valve cover off, all that stuff, to get a better look, and this is what we found. Okay, first of all, as you can see here, there's play down in there. Let me see if I can do this with all. Let's see here. See if we can show this on camera. We're gonna turn it like this. Alright, so you can see where the gear has been hitting the oil drive disc, the drive face. And if you come in here with a pick, you can actually pull this back and forth. Now that play should not be there, and that's what you're hearing. Some people, they hear it at 2,000 RPMs and above, but for us it was present at all RPM ranges, and it was kind of like a tick tick tick, and then it would stop for a second, then tick tick tick, and you could hear the gear pretty much jogging back and forth here. One more thing to look at while you're in here is to look at the splines on the intake cam and see if the actuator has a lot of play there. And it's really hard to tell, but there's a lot of wear on those splines. So every time I go in, I recommend doing both sides. And I'm going to spin this over and we'll show you what is on the other side here. Now keep in mind, this customer came in saying he heard a knocking noise and added oil, and the noise continued. Another shop told him it needed a motor, so he came in for a second opinion. This is where the original damage occurred. As you can see, the tooth on this side of the hub broke off. And let me see if we can get some good shots. See the oil pump disc there, how there's nothing in it? And you can see significant wear on the disc. So if you're hearing some noise, more than likely this is the best place to start looking.